What does God think of you? Forget the applause. Forget the praise of the crowd. And forget your own way of thinking kung sino ka. Lord, who am I to you? Sino po ba ako? There's a song that says, Lord, you know me. Search me. Who I am, what I do. You know when I rise or when I sit down. You know my thoughts from afar. If I go to hell, you'll still be there. You know me through and through. Psalm 139. So Lord, kilala po niyo ako. At kung kilala po niyo ako, kahit anong sabihin ng iba, basta you know me, Lord. Klaro tayo, everything else is secondary.